Education, as you know, is one of the cornerstones of Andy's administration. We have been pushing for universal pre-K since Andy's been in office. He has stood by teachers of public education because they are the ones who are creating the future leaders for Kentucky. They are the ones who are creating the future caregivers, the future teachers, the future doctors. They are the ones who are helping our children navigate what it means to be a child in today's society. They're the ones giving them hope and care and love and support and a foundation that will carry them the rest of their lives. So we care a great deal about teachers. This says that Kentucky is on the map. This says that Kentucky has so many people out there, and even though there's only one recipient, she is an example of teachers across our Commonwealth who day in and day out do their very best to help our children reach their maximum potential. And so for a teacher in Kentucky to have this honor, I think speaks to the quality of educators we have in our state. Just to keep doing what she's doing, because she's obviously doing an amazing job, and I met with her students and they have nothing but admiration and love for her, which speaks volumes to the type of teacher that she is.